Hello, I'm Dan Marr from Hamblett Kerrigan in Nashua, New Hampshire. I've been a lawyer for 36 years. Of the 36 years, I've been practicing in New Hampshire, and also I practice regularly in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts for approximately 28 years, since 1996. So I've been in dealing with that with businesses and individuals over the years. I've had an opportunity to also discuss with them some family legal issues. And in the last vlog I did, I was talking about protecting adult children. I'll add to that vlog quickly that I do think that durable healthcare power of attorneys and financial power of attorneys between the parent and the child, being that the child is protected by the parent as their principal or their agent to act on their behalf if something happens to them, makes a lot of sense with me, and you can give me a call. I can discuss that further. But now I'm going to be talking about minors, and particularly hosting parties or allowing minors to have alcohol at your place. Is illegal in New Hampshire. There's a specific statute. It's the statute, we call them RSAs, revised statutes annotated, but RSA 644-18, it makes it a misdemeanor for you. So if you allow smoking a pot, you allow marijuana, drinking of alcohol, and there's a party of 5 or more people getting together, and you know that what they're doing down in the basement, you may not be supplying the alcohol, it's a misdemeanor for you. If you get the police find out about that, it's a misdemeanor. So anything from one of the parents being angry about it to a neighbor thinking that there's too many people in their driveway and making a complaint, and then the police coming and finding out that there's alcohol or drugs with minors. If you have you want to get another job, you might have a job application that talks about, have you ever been convicted of a crime, and you have to deal with that. If you have security clearance, you might have issues. There's a whole bunch, and you obviously don't want to have a misdemeanor on your record. You think that it's the responsible thing for you to do because you want them to be having alcohol, testing alcohol, learning about alcohol in the confines of the safety of your home. Bad idea. I'm not talking about what's your own thoughts as to the ethics of the issue. I'm talking about under the law, you're in trouble. You're going to be putting yourself in exposure. And then, so it's a crime for you. For the children, say they're kids that want to they're seniors and that you want them they want to go to college. An alcohol offense can affect their ability to get into a college. Not as much as I've seen, but sometimes, certainly if it's alcohol related with something stupid that they've done, then yes, I've had situations where I've had to address issues where they were at a pond and they did something stupid after they went drinking, maybe knocking over something, and it wasn't something of big offense, but I had to get involved to help smooth the process so that they'd have to go to college. It cost money. It also cost a lot of headaches for the people if these bad decisions weren't made. So that's an issue. So if they're at your house and they do something stupid, maybe they're roughhousing, maybe somebody falls over and hits their head on a hard countertop, maybe one of them gets a set of keys even though they supposedly all the keys are taken away, and they go and drive away, or one of them gets really drunk and hurts them, or drugged out and they hurt themselves. Bad ideas, don't do it. You're not allowed to buy alcohol for them, obviously, but even if you don't buy the alcohol, they bring their own alcohol. This is a violation. This is a misdemeanor for you, so don't do it. And also, you're exposing your children for if you have them have this situation, they can be guilty for consuming alcohol, buying alcohol, certainly if they have a fake ID. All of those are covered in the statutes and they're crimes, so don't do it. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 603-883-5501, or you can check out our website at NashuaLaw, all one word, .com. That's NashuaLaw.com, and there's a lot of useful information there, including a lot of the blogs that we do on a variety of topics. I look forward to working with you with the opportunity to work. Opportunity arises. Again, Dan Marr from Hamblett Kerrigan and the Nashua Law Firm. Thank you. Bye-bye.